Guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys have enjoyed my last two videos, and thank you so much for 1,000 views. As you can see, this is a quick Procreate tutorial, and here is my Gojo Holo Purple drawing. So first up is the home page, where you can access all of your drawings, such as plenty of my Anakin Skywalker and Darth Vader drawings that I've been doing, and also a few other drawings that you might have done. That's just starting. And yeah, another thing is that Procreate is a really good app, only $15. So first purchase. So the first thing is you can click select artworks, and then there's a bunch of settings, as you can see up top. And to import, you can choose something that you want to import from. And then you can go into your Outlook Drive and all. To start by a photo, you can find a photo. Let's say I get this Gojo and Kakashi one, and then you can put it as a background or whatever. I'm gonna delete it. And yeah, something in Procreate is there's a lot of hidden features. Here you can choose different sizes. I tend to go with screen size because it's easier. And you can switch on or off the background color. Depending on what you're using, I prefer the background color off. There you can reduce the size of the pen. And there you can reduce the opaqueness of the pen. And that is for color selection thing. You can do undo by tapping on the screen with 2 fingers. That's the only shortcut I know, since I'm also quite new to Procreate. But still, I know a lot of features. So let me explain the toolbar section at the top. The first one is the tool thing, where you can do a bunch of quick actions. And there's a bunch of different settings to make it a video and all. And change the interface. There you have small adjustments to make it easier to draw. And there you can make sketch lines. I don't really know the purpose for it, but you can make tiny sketches if you want, and it comes out like that, which is kind of cool. So yeah. And I'm still learning that feature, but that's all I know for now. Then at the top there's a mouse cursor, and that you can there's this square thing. Then there's the paintbrush, where you can choose all your different brushes. There's thousands of brushes, hundreds. And I love all of them, they're really good. And I just did something to my Untitled sketch set, which is kind of annoying. Anyway, you can choose different pencils. I tend to go with this Derwent for sketching. And there's different ones like gouache and all. And then if you go there, that's the color. You can change the color and you can do different drawings. And if you tap, you get this drawing pad.
From Nest.
Now,
Doorbell,
please
front door.
ignore my
Someone's at the door.
annoying Siri notification thing. My doorbell just rang. Anyway, the finger is the smudge tool, where you can do a bunch of stuff. So right now I'm just picking a few colors, and then I'll do big colors, and then I'll show you how they do it. It's really cool, the blend tool. Even though it's a smudge tool, it's really good for blending. So I really recommend it if you're someone who draws really good and then wants to blend a few colors. And see, I just lost my patience and went big size. And then, yeah, I think I need to improve my coloring skills. So finger, and then you make that color. See, it gets much smoother. Kind of hurts your eyes, but it gets much smoother. So yeah, that's it for today. That's the layer section. And also, once we reach 100 subs, I'm going to do a massive drawing. So stay there.